Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something a little bit different. So I don't know if you guys know Shein. Shein is an online website, and on that website you can buy clothes for a discounted price. So I went ahead and made my first ever Shein purchase, and I purchased a few shirts, and I just want to give you guys a review on the clothing that I have received. I bought about 11 things. I tried everything on previously, and I am going to return about 5 of them, I think. So I mean, I feel like that's a really good price, especially for cheaper clothing items. So keep on watching and you will find out what I bought. Okay, so the first item that I bought, I am actually wearing right now. This is a top. I'm gonna link everything down below in case you guys do want to buy it. So I don't know if you guys know, but off the shoulder tops are very, very in this season. I love them. And this top, I love. It is a tad bit see-through, but I wore this before and I wore a bandeau under it and it was perfect. But it is off the shoulder. It does have like a nice cut on it. I paired it with a long necklace and I feel like it fit perfect. It is a little loose. This is a size medium, but you can wear it this way if you want, or you can even make the cut that way. So it's very versatile. You can decide which spot you want to go, lower or higher, but this is definitely a thumbs up for me. I really, really do like this top. The next top that I got is this one right here. This is a turtleneck and it does have this cute stripe design. I usually hate turtlenecks. Like, I used to hate wearing them. I felt like I was I always felt really claustrophobic when I wore them, but this is actually really light. It is on the thinner side. This is a size medium, but I do really like this top. It is very form-fitting. I feel like you can pair it with a pair of jeans and it would look so, so cute. I really thought like it made the black color made the stripes pop, so I really like this. The stripes do go all around. It's also really like comfortable. I really like the way that this feels. I definitely recommend this too. The turtleneck isn't like super tight on you, but it does have that nice comfortable feel. The next top that I got is this one right here. This kind of reminds me of like a grandma sweater. This did only come in one size only. But I mean, I really like it. It has that like knit kind of texture in the front. I don't know if you guys can tell. It has like that, yeah, you can. It has like that knit texture. It is looser here, but it is pretty form-fitting. This one isn't as long. I thought it was going to be more of like a sweater type dress. Hits me right where my hips are. But this is actually really, really comfortable. I love the color. I usually don't opt for something like this, but I just love the color of this. It is really comfortable. I feel like this is gonna be a nice winter like staple, just because I feel like it is gonna keep me really, really warm. Now, when I first saw this online, I didn't think that the yellowish orange was gonna be this bright, but it is super bright. So when I saw it in the box, I was kind of like, am I gonna like this? Am I not gonna like this? But it turns out I actually really do like it. It kind of reminds me of like a sweatshirty like type sweater. Again, this is cut. This one you can't change which shoulder you want out. It has to be the left one, but it is really comfortable, really, really warm. I love it. It is like looser here, but I feel like you could tuck it in to a pair of jeans and it would look so, so cute. I feel like this is also like, this is more like stylish, but I feel like it's also going to keep me pretty warm. And the color is really bright, which is definitely something I'm not used to, especially for the winter. But I really like this. I feel like this is going to make a fun statement. The next piece I got is this right here. This is actually like pretty, it is like kind of thin, but I thought it was cute. I really, really like the lace detailing right here, and it is really comfortable. So I'm wearing it straight as a v-neck, but when I saw it online, I did see a girl like wear it like this. I don't really like how it looks like that, so I am just going to wear it like a straight, but I feel like this is good for like running errands or just staying home and like chilling. I thought this was a really, really nice sweater. It is long, so I can pair it with leggings and like boots and kind of just like run and go, but I really, really like this too. So that is all that I am keeping. I do have a few items that I am going to return. Some of them, I'm just going to hold them up and explain, just because they didn't fit correctly or it was like too tight, I don't know. So I'm just going to hold those up and show you guys. So the first item is this. I thought that this was going to look so cute. I really do like the style. This is a size medium. I love the sleeves on this. I thought that was going to be so cute, but when I tried it on, it was a little tight on the arm area, and the sleeves were just, you could even see it's very dramatic, and I felt like I would never ever wear this. And this is also size medium, so it did go up, but it was also tight on the boob area, so I was like, let me just return it. It is cute. Even if I ordered it in a bigger size, I wouldn't have worn it, just because this is very extra and I know I wouldn't wear that to work. But this would have been a winner if the sleeves weren't so big. The next piece I got, I actually really liked. It fit nicely at the like stomach area, it fit nicely on the arms. It did have a little sleeve as well. I'm really into like the bell sleeves this season. The only thing is I couldn't get my head in this really like small like neck hole. I didn't think I had that big of a head, but after trying this on, I was like, wait, is my head that big, or is this just extra small? I mean, like, I can't imagine anybody getting their head through this. Like, this is really tiny. I mean, it looks like I could, but it's just really tiny. I mean, it was so tight here when I finally like shoved it on, and I was like, no, I can't wear this. I know I'm gonna be feeling claustrophobic, but I thought this would be really cute. I mean, if the neck was bigger, I would have totally kept this, because those sleeves are just so cute. But I'm sadly gonna have to return this. The next thing I'm returning is this. So when I saw it online, it did come with a belt. I thought this was gonna be really loose and like nice. I liked how it fit in this area, but these sleeves, like, they're nice when they're like straight, but like imagine bending your arm. It was just nothing but like, let me see if I can put my hand in it. It was just like too bulky that I was just like, I can't walk around with that on, because it's just like look, it was just like too much going on right here, and I was just like, no, I can't wear that. Like, I can't. If I wear that, it's just like too much attention to your arms, and I was like, not the style I was going for. But the quality of this seems like really nice. It is stretchy. I did like it. I would have kept it if the arms weren't that extra. Next thing I got is this black turtleneck. I bought a lot of turtlenecks, but I thought this was really cute. The only thing that I didn't like is that it was like, I don't know if you guys could tell, it is like completely see-through. No, you guys can't really tell, but it is completely see-through, and like the material is so thin. I was like, I can't wear this because it's gonna show like everything. If this was a little bit thicker, I would have kept it, because I feel like it is stretchy and like good, it is stretchy. But I knew that this wouldn't keep me warm in the winter, and I'm like, I'm trying to buy winter clothes. This is basically like a summer thin type material, so I was like, there's no point in buying this. So this is going to get returned as well. So the next shirt I got is this. I have always wanted a shirt with this accent like drawn in right here, kind of like a corset, and I love the color. So when I saw it, I was like, let me try it. I like it. It was cute, but I felt like it was like tight, and then it was really loose. So like you could even see this detail right here. It was just too much attention drawn right here. It was just like a weird shape, and I was like, I know I'm not gonna reach for this. I know I'm not gonna wear it. It is really good material. I mean, I feel like it is pretty comfortable. It is on the thicker side as well. I just could not get over this shape right here and that drawn in. So the last thing I got is this, like, not sweater, but I guess something that you throw over, like your clothes, like a long sleeve. I thought this was so cute. The only thing is when I put it on, this I can show you guys. When I put it on, it was like too tight on my back that I was like, I know I'm gonna be uncomfortable wearing this. I thought it looked really, really cute. I mean, you can order it in like a bigger size, but with a long sleeve like white shirt underneath, or even black and like leggings, I thought this would look really cute. And I also kind of felt like this kind of looked a little poofy. But I feel like if it was the right size, it would have looked a lot better. But this is all that I bought. I did find a few wins that I'm super, super happy about, that I'm definitely going to keep. But overall, I would definitely recommend shopping on this website. They do have a really good return policy. The shipping is really, really fast. So definitely check them out. Look at reviews, look at photos. People do put reviews and photos on. A few of these items didn't have either, but that is something that I definitely learned. Have you guys ever shopped at Shein? What was your experience? I mean, I feel like I would totally shop there again. I really did like it. But I feel like I did find a few good finds. I'm really, really excited to wear. I did wear one already and everybody loved it. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see. If you want to see more hauls, makeup, fashion, let me know. I will make those videos happen. And also let me know if you like this kind of setup for the unboxing of clothes. It's a lot more casual than what I usually do. Last time I did more of a sit down intro, but I thought let me try something else, see if you guys like it. But let me know if you guys like this or not. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Happy shopping!